Alright, I have an iPhone 6 Plus here with Touch IC disease, prior repair. Told the guy I was going to make a video on it, but I'm kind of regretting it now. But we are a few days away from the holidays, so I'm going to give it a go and see what happens, alright? And but this thing is a mess. So what should I do first? Alright, let's take a look at the board first, okay? It looks like there's like some doo-doo on it. I mean, look at this. What is this right here? What is this? Looks like it might have come out of the air. Look at this. And look at these missing components here. It's a little bit disgusting. Not gonna lie. But, I mean, all this stuff looks pretty clean. Connectors need to be cleaned out. Those need to be replaced, I think. At least, I think that's probably that. There's a resistor there, I think. These are probably caps, which probably don't need to be replaced at this point. Let's go to the back side. Cumulus is jacked up. Missing a few filter right here. Or no, I'm sorry. I don't know what this is. This is looks like the 5V1 cap, so that's probably not necessary. That right there was attempted. It looks like an M1 jumper there, maybe. Actually, this is the 1.8 volt jumper to here. This may need to be replaced right here. I'm not sure what's up with that. A little more doo-doo all around the board here. It's probably water damaged. Look at this. What is this? Cornflakes? It's like maybe it got dropped in a bowl of cereal or something. I don't know if TriStar was replaced, but I don't know if is there normally overfill on. This looks pretty clean though, so it's all good. So let's boot it up and see what happens, right? This could be fun right here. If I get an image, that'll be a victory, I think. So actually, what am I doing here? Let's remove this garbage from this connector first. I mean, come on. Nothing's gonna work without this garbage inside of it. So, it's probably flux, right? Is that what that is? Like, how is the image gonna come through with all this cornflake chips all over it, huh? How? Okay, let's get a little bit of IPA from here and take this sucker out a little bit, alright? Jeez. So, let's take a look. I'm just going to do a little diode mode action here just to see where we're at here, okay? So, I'm going from red's on ground, black. Okay, so this is PP1V8 incoming 1.2 voltage. This is one of the 5V7 lines, second 5V7 line. They all look pretty good, actually. So 4, 8, and now we're going to get to the LCM enable, and one of these is the reset line, and the other one's VSync. Oh, VSync line is short. 4, 8, 10. VSync line is short. Okay, so that's a problem right there. 4, 8, 10. Short. So I'm assuming that is probably our issue. Before even powering this mother up. Okay, VSync line is short. I'm pretty sure it's VSync line, so let's just double check it. Four, 8, 10. I think the guy said he was pretty certain that I think he said it was pretty certain that Mason was good. So let's see. If it's short, then it's probably, my guess is his jumper is jacked up. So let's just go ahead and remove. You know what? I'm not going to power up at this point because touches that line should not be short. So before let's just remove Mason, and I'm hoping it's Mason and not U2403. Yeah. Let's just remove Mason. I mean, come on. It has to be done anyway, so. That doesn't clear the short end. Right. Probably short, I guess. The hell is all that, man? Jeez. No need for an L1 jumper if it's not dead. So. Alright, so let's take a look, see what's going on with V-Sync line now that we've removed Mason. So now we're getting a correct diode mode reading. And this is the 1V8 line, that's 0.7, I don't know if that's right or wrong. Is that right? I don't even know if it's right or wrong. But anyways, let's see. These are all NCs, so we're all good. No longer short, so that's good. And then this one, let's just touch that up while we're in here. Alright, let's run one jumper again, and should probably not do any of this until after I boot this sucker up and make sure I get it kind of working. Tweezers are all bent. There's a freaking thick line right here. Too much. Let's do this. I think that's okay. I think that's okay. Alright, that's done.
That's okay.
I think those are all NCs, I think. just afraid that's going to bind it. Anyways, let's boot this sucker up now. Let's see if it works. Everything else tested pretty good, so. So that's a good sign right there. Alright, well that's a good sign. That right there is not a good sign though, where it says, okay, so no sim now, but it was saying searching for a little bit, so. Let me do something real quick. I got another phone here that I'm working on. Okay. Alright, so that's a good sign. So I think we're just going to go ahead and do the Mason replacement, and then hopefully it'll fix everything. Unfortunately, it's missing a lot of capacitors and stuff, so I'm going to have to put a little extra work in. Stencil to go. Alright, stencil. Oh, it's crusty. That's really crusty, man. New pieces required. Let's see how this goes. Not up. This new paste. It's pretty even. It's pretty good, but we like to make it perfect. It's all good. That's good. I might have to end up replacing Cumulus too because it's chipped. But we'll see if this works first. If this doesn't work, I'll replace Cumulus. I'm not really satisfied with this jumper right here. I think what I'm going to do is remove this. I think what I'm going to do is remove this ball right here. Remove this ground ball so that it doesn't short. Pause it. Phone call. Alright, so we are back in business here, and hopefully we can get this thing going. Let me flood it with flux. Hey, phone call. Okay, so let's check, make sure it's not shorted. And it's not shorted, so I'm checking M1 basically, make sure it's not shorted. This looks diseased too, so I'm not 100% sure that the touch is going to work with this chipped Cumulus like this, but I should probably replace it. It looks like it's already been replaced, so I might end up just replacing it anyway. It sucks. But let's see if touch works just like this, and then we'll go from there. So that would be a negative. Still doesn't work. Okay. Let's replace cumulus. No chance it's that easy, right? Let's just check diode mode in this again, just to make sure. 0.43. That sounds pretty good. It could be this one right here too, so I think what I'm going to do is place cumulus, see if that works. If that doesn't work, then I'll just start. I'm still on the other screen, aren't I? I'll switch it over in a second. Yep. Looks like it's been replaced before, but I'm not going to use that one. It's shit. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a deadline or two once we're done with all this, because these little caps right here are jacked up. Oh, that's broken too, so right there. Let's just remove that. I'm not sure. I don't even think this is oriented correctly. I feel like I should just replace it anyways. Let's just follow the protocol here. We will follow the plan, the master plan. Just take the cumulus out, reball it. Yeah, I'll just leave that ball there, I think. That's fine. I definitely need some new solder paste. The problem with the new paste is that it's got so much flux in it that I like it sitting for a day or two. Because then the flux evaporates. Look at this. Like, I can't really get it even here because there's so much flux in there. I'm just going to overdo it. Let's try this. Let's try this. Maybe that'll work a little bit better. There's a little extra on there. That seemed to work a little bit better. That's pretty straight now. That's good. Oh no! I hope this is okay after I take it out of here. Oh no, that's not good at all. What happened there? Jeez. I done used the wrong stencil. Missed half of it. That's what happens when you try to do it too fast. Which one is it? I knew that looked a little similar. It's this one. Oh, it's so dirty. You know what? I remember this stencil as not being very good, so I'm just going to find another stencil here somewhere. We use the one that we sell in our store. Just the right one? Yeah, okay. Idiot. We are good to go. Did my camera stop recording? Oh my. That sucks. Look, it stopped recording. Look. Thank you. Hey, stop recording. Let's see if it works. Alright, so I don't know what you guys missed, but my video kind of stopped a little bit. So I replaced Cumulus and still doesn't work. So I'm going to replace U2403 right now. I don't think that's the problem, but maybe. It's like a proximity sensor. You know, it turns the screen. I think what it does is it disables the touch when your face is close to the screen. You know what I'm saying?
So it seems broken, helpful.
Well, it looks like the joints aren't great, you know. But I think I probably would have gotten a different diode mode reading on it if it were otherwise. So, anyways, that's just one other thing to. Sir, you man had it. All these donut boards. I can't find a U2403. What is that? Is that you or me?
I'm testing this. This guy is in bad charge for us.
Right, bad charge port? That's not good.
No, it's good.
I would try some other cables. I don't know what else it could be at this point. Let's see. Is it possible? Yeah. Let's plug it in one more time and see if this fixes it. Strange. I get all the image but not the touch. So maybe, let's see. So the question is, why was the 5v1 cat blown or missing? So he's booting up now. You guys want to see? Let's fucking do it from my thing over here. It is still not working. No touch. Interesting. So, sucks. So I think what we do now is we'll have to resort to drastic measures. I hate doing this. One of these days. For 6 plus charge port. So let's start measuring some voltages, alright? Five point seven, 5.7. So I'm not getting 1.8, or I'm not getting. So the thing is booted up. Touch still doesn't work. I'm not getting the 5.1 volt though. I don't even know which one's 5.1. And 1.8 I'm not getting either. So let's see, this should be 5.1 and this is 1.8. So I'm not getting either of those, but I am getting 5.7. So let's see. Let's think about this. So where am I missing those two voltages? I'd probably have to assume chestnut at this point, I think. So let's just turn the screen on again. Yeah, let's see what we're getting here. 0, 0, and 0. Okay. So I think at this point, let me just double check. Nope, still no good. So I think at this point, I think we just have to go with chestnut and then go from there. Oh, this is taking a lot longer than I was hoping, but I guess prior repairs, that's almost always the case. So I'm going to take chestnut off, and then I'm hoping I'm going to see something. maybe a corroded joint or something like that off the chest nut. That's my hope. Otherwise, I've not really been able to solve these missing voltages, you know, in 5E1. Come on. I don't really see anything bad here. Man, that's gonna suck. So, I mean, this all looks good. I was hoping to see a little bit of corrosion here. Oh, well, you know what? Look at that. So maybe that was our issue right there. See it? Yeah, I think that was it, man. So I think this is the 5E1 line right here. And if you see it, I just kind of touched it, and it was pretty much corroded. So let's take a look. Let's make sure that's definitely 5E1. I'm pretty sure it is, yeah. See that right there? Alright, so I think that was the issue. You can barely see it, but this looks like the M1 corrosion right here. If you look at it, if you look, see what I'm seeing right here, that's corrosion right there. So I think that's probably what it was. So actually, this is corroded too right here. So let's double check what that one is. What is it? The second one. Okay, so that would make sense. So this is Sage, PP5D7 Sage, but I was pretty sure I was getting that. So let's see what else we got here. That's a little bit corroded. That's corroded. So that makes sense. All right, I think we're in business here. Yep, I think we're in business. Just be careful with this because for some reason these pads rip, especially that one over there. So I'm actually gonna wick this, I think, because I just have issues with chestnut for some reason. I don't wick it. Oh my gosh! I'm trying to get out of here, man. And this thing is holding me up. This is not the best. Yeah, I think that's alright enough, right? Maybe. Try this. I'm just lazy, man. I'm lazy. Alright. Is that even clear now? Okay, that's good. Enough. Reball. I'm gonna say yes to reball. Because if I use a new chip, it's just gonna take a lot of it's gonna take too much heat to get it back on, and I might have some issues. So I'm just gonna reball it. You can tell there's a little bit of corrosion there. You know, see what I'm saying right there? There's a little bit of corrosion, but those might be ground planes. I don't know. It's fine. Ugh. Okay. We're going on almost an hour probably at this point. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough, man. Good enough. Good to go, friends. This is gonna work. Guaranteed. Let it cool down just for a second. We will do this together. So, we are back in business. Alright, my friends. Let's hope this doesn't blow up. Alright, it's a good sign that we see an Apple logo. still missing that voltage. Must be. Let me double check. Maybe I should use the new one. Let's double check again. That's not good. Let's see. I think all the tricks up my sleeves are done at this point. I know you guys can't see this, but you have to trust me on this one. Now I'm getting 5.1. See what I'm saying? Now I'm getting 5.1. But my 1v8, oh, I'm getting 1.8. Okay. Oh, there it goes. It does work. All right. We are back in business, sir. Look at this. No! Maybe it's the connector. There it goes. I'm kidding. I think I'm micro-soldering out. I think I'm going to take the next week off. Alright, we're in business, guys, alright? So, chow. This is going to be a chow kind of day, alright? You see it? It worked, it worked, it worked. Look. Regulatory. Look. What's up? So it's all it is a science. Alright, we're back in business, guys. Alright, I hope you learned something. Maybe. If not, you can blame my assistant, Sanjeev. Alright, yeah, sorry, I haven't made a whole lot of videos lately. Mainly, one is the same repairs over and over again. Number two is we got this cheap little Boyo mini computer here that doesn't seem to like recording video very well, so I'm going to have to figure this out, and maybe I'll bring my more powerful computer in here and get some more videos going, but it's just not as easy to record videos now. So, more videos on its way, 2018, that's probably when I'll see you guys. So, you know what, I'm getting really close to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. I think I'm like 2,000 or 200 short, maybe, or something like that, so maybe we can get it for New Year's. If you like this video and you want more videos, share, like, ask questions. I've been really bad with answering questions, but I'll try a little harder. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. We are back in business.